sir. Now, this is a time to invite our beloved principal, Reverend Father Anthony, to give a short profile of primary block.
Respected fathers, Sister Andonamma, the Mother General of Congregation of Prengipuram, our beloved dignitaries on the dais. One of the important words of Swami Vivekananda is a motivating figure for all of us. He says, take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. This is a important words, and I always insist all our staff members, non-teaching staff members and co-workers to align with this risk-taking aspect. Today we are celebrating the feast of St. Francis Xavier, who is the second founder of the Society of Jesus. That is the reason we fixed this particular day to dedicate this building on his name. On this day, we should get the inspiration from St. Francis Xavier. St. Ignatius of Loyola uttered a beautiful sentence which touched him so much. What is the profit for a man if he gains the whole world and loses his soul? నీ లోకమందా సంపాదించుకొని నీ ఆత్మను కోల్పోయిన లాభం ఏమిటి అని ఒకటే ఒక ప్రశ్నకు తన జీవితాన్ని మార్చారు. తన జీవితం మాత్రం కాకుండా ఎంతోమంది జీవితాన్ని ఆయన దేవుని దగ్గర తీసుకొచ్చినటువంటి మహాన్ భావుడు. Therefore, we give credit to our beloved Saint Francis Xavier. At the outset, let me express my heartfelt thanks and profound gratitude to the Almighty God, who showered a plenty of graces upon us and assisted by Blessed Virgin Mary, who is interceding for us day in, day out, for the welfare of this noble institution for the past 55 years, and particularly these 2.5 years for the construction of new primary block. Father General of the Society of Jesus approved our building plan on 24th December 2017, and the foundation stone was laid on November 26th, 2017 by Reverend Father Vernon, the regional assistant from Rome, in the presence of Father P.S. Amalraj, former provincial of Andhra Jesuit province, Father Bosco, the former superior and correspondent, alumni, some of the government officials witnessed the foundational ceremony. The entire project was entrusted to Loyola Public community and to me, and I sought the help of Mr. G.V.S. Krishna Reddy, builder and alumni president. In keeping with our plan, we completed one wing by August 2019 and began our regular classes for 4th and 5th on 4th September 2019 with 850 students headed by 2 vice principals, Father Naveen, our vice principal and warden, and Mrs. Anupama. They have done extremely well. Parents and students feel extremely happy with the facilities what we have created for the young children. This new construction is of great attraction to everyone who visits the new primary block, the imposing structure, well furnished classrooms with granite and tiles, latest learning technology, 2 English language labs, 2 computer labs, maths lab, science labs, few activity rooms, separate transformer with a soundproof generator, safe drinking mineral water, sanitary facilities, centralized AC conference hall, 2 elevators, and approachable cement roads are some of the special features of this new wing. Now the school strength is 4,300 including ISC. Therefore, the management decided to have separate building for the primary children. The reasons to separate the primary children, all of you know very well. Primary education is measured as the base for the future intellectual developments. It aims to provide an opportunity to have a team that will interact with the students. Primary education is the place where students getting influenced positively. It focuses on individual attention and individual talents. The role of the primary education is to ensure the development of the emotional, physical skills according to the best of their abilities. Primary education is where teachers can bring creativity in children at every level, create a platform to enjoy learning and develop desire to continue learning. It helps students to think creatively, to reach logical judgment. Few recent achievements are there. I need not enumerate. Our sincere thanks to our dedicated staff and non-teaching staff who give all-round training for our students, even the pandemic situation through online. Their commitment and hard work certainly brought up the strength and standard. As you know, our school secured 30 times 100% results. In the year 2011 and 2012, LPS secured not only 100% All India first rank in AIMS in PG 2020. Most of our students secure free seats in NEET exam every year because the syllabus for the competitive exam is based on ICSE and CBSE. Even the average students shine in their academic once they pass from LPS. 7th November was a remarkable and unforgettable experience for school and myself. Lovely Professional University in India is the largest best private university in Punjab, conducts survey and interview top schools in India and confers Transforming Educational Award. 2 persons from the university visited LPS campus and assessed the infrastructures, academics, sports and games and other facilities. Later, they conducted online voting by parents, students and staff. Loyola Public School is given special category award for its imposing infrastructure and academic excellence. I am, Father Anthony, also is given Inspiring Teachers Award by the same university and son. Special people should be acknowledged and recognized. Provincial and his team, past and present. Appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belong to us well. Love is made up of 3 unconditional properties in equal measure: acceptance, understanding, appreciation. Remove any one of these 3 and the triangle will fall apart. When Father P.S. Amalraj was a provincial, Father Stanislas was province consultor, and along with him Father Wilson Father Joseph Raj, Father Aloysius, who accepted our proposal and understood the needs of the school and trusted us to take up the project and appreciated all of us whenever they visited LPS. Our sincere thanks and profound gratitude to Father P.S. Amalraj, who obtained permission from Father General. Later, Father Stanislas also played a major role physically and emotionally to complete this project on time. I gratefully remember Father Papaya, the province procurator, Father Anthony Sami, and Father T. Lourdes, revisors of the province, Father Balashavari, the rector of Andhra Loyola College, Father K.P. Francis, both of them province consultants also supported very much. Without all your help, definitely we would not have accomplished this project. Special thanks to our beloved Father Bosco, who took lot of interest in processing the project to get sanction along with the LPS community, and later Father Sandanasamy, the energetic, creative young man, not young man, he's old man, young man in spirit, also showed keen interest in completing this project. There is a wonderful mystic law of nature that the three things we crave most in life, happiness, freedom, and peace of mind, are always attained by giving them to someone else. This quote very well fitted to Mr. GVSR Krishna Reddy, alumnus 1989, builder and alumni president, who played a major role in the campus development along with the LPS community. We feel proud of having such a wonderful gentleman, full of practical knowledge, desire to do better things for the school, transparent in finance. His ability and loyalty certainly helped the campus to develop very well. Everyone in the campus gives witness that he spends more time in the school than his family, working with us very closely and attends to every minute work. Along with him, a special mention to Mr. Kishore, the office staff, who maintains our school accounts very systematically. Two more persons I have to mention today. They are none other than our Anand, our attender, as well as our Johan, the security. Both of them did extremely good job of taking care of this building. Give not to count the cost, says St. Ignatius of Loyola. Already I thanked Mr. Magesh Reddy and others. Thousands of candles can be lit from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. This is what Sri Alluri Indra Kumar, though he is not here, I really congratulate him when we approached him to give some help. He donated 100 computers worth of 24 lakhs. On behalf of the Jesuit community and Jesuits, we congratulate him and appreciate him. And Mr. Palaniyappan is batchmate. He will receive the honor on behalf of Mr. Alluri Indra Kumar. The way you get meaning into your life is to devote yourself to loving others, devote yourself to your community around you, and devote yourself to creating something that gives you purpose and meaning, said two stalwarts of the alumni. They are none other than Father Stanley's students, Sri Chitturi Rajagopal, alumnus 1975, and Sri Cheprolu Narendranath, alumnus 1975, donated 10 lakhs each. Both your generosity, love and affection, concern will not be forgotten by even our staff when we visited Vizag 2 years ago for the staff tour. Both of them donated in memory of mother and son. Our beloved donors, other donors, I like to congratulate all these donors. Sri Manikyavel, the chairman of Bharati Soap Company Bharati Soap Company has donated 2 lakhs and later is willing to put up a fish tank which cost few more lakhs for the small children. Sri Kandukuri Veeraya, parent, friend and well-wisher, has donated 5 lakhs, 2 of his children in the ISC first year studying in Loyola Public School. Mr. Kondal Rao, alumnus 1983, donated 25 lorry loads of sand when the sand shortage took place. ఆయన ఉన్నాడా వెళ్ళిపోయాడా ఆపత్తు బాంధవుడు అంటే ఆయనే. శ్రీ పిల్ల వెంకటేశ్వరరావు ఈ సిట్టింగ్ దేర్, ఓకే, క్లోజ్ టు కృష్ణారెడ్డి, ఈస్ అవర్ ఫ్రెండ్ వెల్ విషర్ who maintains the crusher close by. All the cement road he helped us to lay in the campus, and he also, he told me not to mention, but all the more I have to mention, he has donated the office furniture as well as the staff furniture. Of course, Praveen Naidu, alumnus 1990, donated 50 good cement benches to place them around the playfield. Sri Des Ramesh, alumnus 1993, son of Des Guravaya, has donated 50 steel chairs. What we see outside, he has done. Sri Sivarama Krishna, alumnus 1993, has donated TV and AC for the vice principal room. Sri Rajasekhar, alumnus 1989, unnada? When we laid the foundation stone here, he came with a checkbook and immediately on that spot he gave 1 lakh for the donation. First donor, Lech Nilabade, andarku teluvadu. He belongs to Krishna Reddy batch, 89 batch. Sri Subbaravu, alumnus 1981, donated 1 lakh in memory of his sister. Somasekhar, alumnus 91, donated 1 lakh for a mineral water plant. Sri Sasipriya, teacher, our teacher, she also donated 50,000 rupees. Ram Prakash, alumnus ISC 1993, donated mementos for this today's function. Sri Sridhar, alumnus 1989, Krishna Reddy batch, he also donated last night. He came and informed me that he has donated 2 lakhs. We have received 90 lakhs rupees from our beloved alumni and the well-wishers. I wholeheartedly thank all the donors on behalf of our Jesuit fathers and our LPS community for having given us your good gesture to us. We promised to collect 1 crore, but not bad that we collected 90 lakhs. God bless. Finally, I like to thank all the dignitaries on the dais. Father V.K. Sami, of course, Krishna Reddy is there, Mr. Pilla Venkateswara Rao, my predecessor, okay, our our Arakasamy, and all the former principals are sitting there, Father Jnanadevan, Father Stanley, okay, Father Mariana, and the wardens, those who worked in our school. There are so many are here. And on the dais, another two persons, eminent person, our beloved Mother General, Sister Andonamma. When I called her, she said, I am coming. She has come and graced the occasion. So then, all our Jesuits representing from different communities and our well-wishers, all of you, I really thank you for your graces, you graced this occasion and made this event a successful one. On behalf of our Jesuit community, I wholeheartedly thank all of you for having come over here and participated in the inaugural ceremony, and with your holy hands you blessed this noble institution, and definitely this is the temple of learning. Many children will learn and they become like you. God bless all of you. Thank you so much.